how to draw the basic sheath dress back. So you just completed the front. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and unlock your detail and shape layer. Marquee select over your entire garment and just make a complete copy. So press Alt and you can make a copy and drag it out. And we're going to work on our back. Now for your front, you can go ahead and select the stitches, cut them out, lock your shape layer, and then just put them on details. Okay, so just to show you how to do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my black arrow and just select my stitches, and I'm going to press Shift. While I do this, I'm just going to select all the stitches. And sorry, my computer's a little on a delay. So wherever there's stitches or details, I'm going to select it while I still hold Shift. And when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and edit cut. Press Shift again. Click on that. And then you can just do edit cut or Control X. And then lock the layer for your shape layer. Go to my detail layer. And then Control F or paste in front. Okay. So now I have a copy of my front with the details and shape in the correct layer. And now I can work on my back. So I'm going to zoom in. And basically we're going to keep the same shape. We're just going to go ahead and remove the front neckline with the white arrow. So click on the actual details. I'm going to take that out in the detail layer. I'm going to actually leave the stitch line there. And then I'm going to go to my dress shape layer and I'm going to marquee select with the white arrow the front neckline. I'm going to click delete. Now just like before, you're going to extend this line. So I'm going to lock my shape layer, go to my details, and I'm going to go ahead and extend by using my black arrow and pressing Alt and clicking on the middle bounding box. I'm just going to make it longer. And so sorry again, my computer's on a delay. Then I'm going to click on the top and bring it up. Just needs to be a little bit longer. There you go. And that's how you fix your neckline stitch for your back. Now we're going to add a back center seam, and it's pretty simple. It's just basically one straight line. So I'm going to click on the middle right here, and again this is in your detail layer. It is a detail, it's a seam. You're going to scroll down, press Shift, hold Shift key, and click on the very bottom of your dress, and it'll give you a nice straight line. Right now I'm on dash line, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out because I want it to be solid. Okay, so I want it to be solid. And I can click off my croquis so you can see better. There you go. Okay, and you again want to zoom in. I passed the boundary just by a little bit, so I'm going to go in there, deselect, go with my white arrow, bring it down just a tad. There you go. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show that I have a center back zipper, and usually it could be a hidden zipper, so like we did in the actual pencil skirt, you don't actually see the zipper, and some have an actual showing the placket. If you're showing a zipper placket, it's very simple to do. You're just going to basically use the rectangle tool, and you're just going to draft a very thin rectangle and center it so the middle is right in that center line. And it usually reaches about mid-back. Just depends on how fitted you have it. Okay. And you definitely want to make that stroke thinner. I'm keeping it 1 point so you could see better. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn that into a stitch line. So I'm going to go ahead and use the eyedropper tool and convert into a stitch line. So now you have your little stitch placket and it's already done for you. You just use a rectangle and add dash line. Then you're going to do the zipper pull. And again, easy one is just the ellipse tool. Just do a nice little oval. Thin little oval. Make the stroke 0.25 or less. Give it a fill so it shows through. In this case, I'm going to give it a white fill so you could see it. And then I'm just going to move it on over to the very center, to the very top. And I left it with a dashed line, I just realized. So take out the dashed line, obviously. Keep it solid. Okay, and that is my center back zipper. You're actually going to keep the darts for your back. And oftentimes you do have a vent, so the last detail, like I showed you on the pencil skirt, is literally go to your center line and just do about a 45-degree angle down. That's it. That's the back vent. That's all you need. And that's basically your basic sheath dress back view.